Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to press Siser Stretch heat transfer vinyl. So we're going to be pressing to this J America glitter t-shirt, and I will be using a Stahl's Max Press. Here I am at my heat press. I am using a Stahl's Max Press. This is the 15 by 15 version, and I have my J America glitter t-shirt sitting on top. This is a really nice shirt. I like how it has that metallic thread through it, but it's not super itchy. So here I have my design. This is cut on Siser EasyWeed Stretch. I do have a video of me cutting it. I will link it below in the description for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my press down for a couple seconds. I have it set at 305 degrees. So this press is basically getting rid of moisture and wrinkles. It's just kind of preparing it for a proper application of our vinyl. So let's go ahead, drop this down on here. I'm going to kind of line it up. Let's see how that looks. And so we need to go ahead and start pressing our vinyl. So 3 things to consider when pressing heat transfer vinyl is when you're doing this, you need proper temperature, proper pressure, and the right amount of dwell time, which basically means the amount of time heat is on your vinyl. So that is why we are using a heat press. We can get regulated temperature, regulated pressure, and we can get this all set. So we're going to be pressing this at 305 degrees, medium to firm pressure, and let's do 15 seconds. Alright, so our press is done. Let's remove our cover sheet. And this is a hot or cold peel, so let's go ahead and peel it hot. You can see my vinyl has stayed behind. And you can see that if you look closely, you might be able to see there's almost like a little bit of a texture in my vinyl. That's great because it means it has a good adherence to my shirt, and it came on and it's stuck pretty well. Now this is very similar to the Siser EasyWeed line. This is EasyWeed Stretch. This is great because it's a little bit thinner of a vinyl, and it, as the name says, it stretches. So this is great for your workout materials. It's also great if you want to layer multiple colors on top because it's a nice thin vinyl and it's a good base. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube so you don't miss any more tutorial videos. And comment below. Let us know what you think and other videos you'd like us to do.